William, William, what are we getting tomorrow?
Chickens.
Chickies. Chicks.
Chicks.
We just got the water troughs set up for the chicks. I just got to put their feed in. I probably won't do that till they get here. But I wanted to show you a couple secrets of for the chicks. And I've got 40 of them coming, so I'm going to put 20 in each one of these water barrels. Feeding troughs, whatever you want to call it. But these things are anywhere from $89 to $99 at Tractor Supply. But one of the things that you'll learn is I've actually put something underneath these initially just to keep it out of the pine chips, or both of these, because otherwise the chicks will kick it up all over the place. I actually will start with this, and then I'll move to pavers stones to bring it up even higher after the first week, because they grow so fast. They grow so fast that you're just going to have to improvise as you go, but this works well. So I've got these 250 watt heat lamps for each one of these, and there's plenty of room. So I will keep these guys in here for about week and a half or so, and then I've got another area that I'll move them out to. So this is going to be exciting tomorrow. I start with the first several weeks using medicated starter feed, and I got a bigger bag this time because I ordered a larger batch. Now I'm not going to grow out 40 of these. I've got a friend who's going to take 15, so I'm going to do 25, and normally do about 20, but I'm going to do 25 this time. And you know, every once in a while you'll lose one, but I've had better luck when you use this medicated feed and you keep them in a controlled environment. So I'm giving up part of my shop for a couple weeks here to get these guys a good start, and then hopefully the weather will be good when we move them out to the next area. But anyways, this is really exciting stuff. We love getting chicks, especially with grandkids here. Right, William? We love chicks.
We are chicks.
Hey, who's allowed in the man cave here?
Me.
Only you?
Yeah.
Only men, right?
Yeah.
The man cave.
Yeah.
All right, the workshop is men only. No girls, he usually says. All right, so that's the excitement for tomorrow. I'll give you a quick update when they get in here. It's quite fun when you first get them, and I'll show you the technique for how you do this. But anyways, have a great day, and we'll talk tomorrow. God bless.